Hi, it's me, Angharad, from Angharads Life, and in today's video, we're really excited to take you all along with us to Betws-y-Coed. It's one of our favourite places, isn't it, Mum?
It really is. We always enjoy going here. We've not been for a while.
We haven't.
So I'm really looking forward to going today.
Me too, it's going to be great.
I've got everything ready.
And absolutely wonderful to take you all along with us too.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
We're here at Cadwallader's, just about to have a vegan Biscoff sundae and a decaf oat milk latte. Here it is, got a bit of everything. The vegan whipped cream goes so well with the vegan ice cream, Biscoff shred and Biscoff crumb. It's absolutely incredible. Looking forward to a nice walk after this.
Your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be ready. You just gotta trust the right. Don't have to be scary. You just gotta follow the light. You're able to be happy. You can do whatever you like. You don't have to be.
Here is the cauliflower onion bhaji pasty. That tastes absolutely incredible. And it's so nice to be a wonderful day to just get outside too.
It's really good.
It really is. And here is the garden vegetable one. Oh, that's so lovely. Some wonderful flavours.
Something's in the air. I can feel it everywhere. Every color seems to bloom, and there's light in every room. Now that you're looking up, I can see it in your eyes that lately it's been tough. But now the sun is rising, and we're new people. Let's be new people. There's summer. Don't let me down, down, down. Don't let me down, down, down. I wanna be up, 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 so high. 'Cause I've been down, down, down. No matter where we go, no matter where it ends, as long as I've got you, I'm not letting it fade. Don't go looking for reasons, asking for change. We got good things coming. Put your faith in me.
Imagine a world where we all belong, where no one's left out, dressed in our finest, walking the walk. Ooh, imagine what we could do. Happy days be our guest, happy days manifest. Let's stand together, put a smile on our faces, fill us up with your grace and make us better. Dress us for all weather. No need to seek shelter, everyone's free, and the best they can be.
It's so lovely to be back here in Betws-y-Coed and be able to share our favourite walk with you all too.
In a safe place, I got room to breathe. Been a long chase, but at last I'm free. These open slowly catching up. I got hungry for the stunning high mountain tops. So I made some plans, some dreams to catch, to promised lands, to find my path, see the planet from greater heights. I have found a place out of time and space, far from city lights, up on greater heights.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. Oh, you and I, we got it. Oh, we don't need no more. Oh, even in the hard times.
I would walk on glass, I would run 10,000 miles and more. I would give my eyes. If you lost your sight, I would run through fire. I would carry you through the heat. I would do it all again if you needed me to. Wish that I could take away your pain like sunbeams in the rain. Oh, we're family. Wherever you go, I'll follow.
I really enjoyed today. Did you, Mam?
It was really lovely and really good to be able to take everyone along with us as well.
It really was. Oh, that ice cream was incredible.
It was. To find those pasties were amazing and a good way to set us up for that lovely walk.
Oh, absolutely.
I enjoyed so much describing everything to you as well.
We really hope that you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps a lot. If you are new and enjoyed the video, please subscribe. We'd love to have you on our journey. This time in the comments, we'd love to know where your favourite place is and where you'd like to go for a nice walk in summer. We really hope to see you all here again next time. Bye! Take care!